All right, hello everyone. This is Sergeant Crane from the USAREC Commanders Initiatives Group, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your Galaxy S device to keep track of receipts and other items or documents that you need to keep a record of without having to throw them all in your top desk and hoping to find them later. So obviously for this, at this point, this video is meant in no way to enforce or condone collecting PII, dates of birth, social security numbers, things of that nature, and storing them in Drive, because Drive is not approved for that level of PII information yet. Here we go. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into our Drive. Here I'm using the Drive widget, where you go to Apps, Widgets, find Drive in there, and then you can literally just drag Drive right up there onto your screen. I'm going to get rid of Drive here since I already have one. The nice thing about that is you can add stuff straight from the widget without having to go into anything. I already have a folder in here for travel files down here. For some reason it's not showing it. Alright, but if you didn't have that folder, you would just hit Create Folder and say, for instance, I'm going to show you today how to scan in a travel receipt. You would just add that folder. Once you have that folder added to your Drive, then you come back, go to your Widgets, and you're going to select Drive Scan. You long click that with your finger, and then you drag it to wherever you want to see it. Now at this point it's going to ask me, okay, where do you want these scans to be uploaded to? At this point I go to the folder in my Drive, Travel Receipts, and I hit Select. And now I've got a quick shortcut, basically, or it's really a widget because it's actually a program that will upload anything that I take a picture of to the Travel Receipts folder in my Drive. So show you how it works. I'm going to go ahead and click on Travel Receipts. That opens my phone's camera. Okay. Now I'm presented with, man, this is kind of tough here. All right. Now I'm presented with my camera window from my phone. Let me try to get this thing organized right here. Jeez, sorry guys. If you could see what I was working with here, you'd understand why this is so difficult. It's I've got my phone hardwired into the computer here. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and take a picture. Alright, so now at this point it auto crops my receipt, and sorry about that. I can go in here, I can recrop it, right? I can go ahead and clean it up a little bit, I can make the crop a little bit bigger, you know, whatever I want to do here. You kind of get the picture, but it crops your receipt or whatever document you're trying to scan, right? Then you can come up here into your settings. You can tell it if you want it to do a color drawing, and then just a normal picture, no filters or anything applied to it. I normally just use black and white. Everything normally comes through pretty good on black and white. And then the final step you can do is you can rename it. And so I'll just call this one Travel Receipt. All right. And then we hit OK. So when we're done, we hit the checkbox. It uploads that file to Travel Receipts. Now that I've got my notification that it's been uploaded, I can come back to my Drive. I can open my Travel Receipts folder, and there is travel receipt.pdf. It's probably still finalizing the document and making sure everything's right and formatted correctly. but just like these other ones, you can go ahead and open them right in Adobe Reader, and there you go. And now with that, obviously you can email that PDF to your .mil account or whatever, or you can log into your computer to your Google Drive and go to DTS and fill everything out. So I hope this helps you. A lot of you are really concerned about using your REA because you're afraid of audits and stuff. This could be a real simple way for you to keep track of all those receipts and all those expenditures and keep them in your Google Drive. So in case you ever do get audited, which is unlikely, you can rest assured that you have all that stuff there and easily accessible. So that's about all I've got. You can find us at our GoArmy.com Google site. I'll put the link to that site here in the video comments section for more great tips and other advice with the Google tools and with some of the other stuff that's coming out here soon. So have a great day.